Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Open Custom VPN with V2Ray SlowDNS settings. Open Custom VPN is one of the best tools for secure and private online browsing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up easily and effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Open Custom VPN and press Enter. From the results, find the app and tap Install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. On the home screen, you'll see various options. Tap the radio button to activate custom settings. From the drop-down menu, select V2Ray SlowDNS, ideal for secure and stable connections. Step 3. Now, we need a V2Ray server. Leave the app and open your browser. Search for UDP Custom and open the official website. Tap the menu icon and scroll to select V2Ray DNS server. Choose your preferred server location, enter a username, complete the RECAPTCHA, and tap Create Account. Within a few seconds, your server details will appear. Copy the following: V2Ray server address, public key, DNS server, name server. Step 4. Go back to the Open Custom VPN app, paste the copied details into their respective fields: DNS server, name server, V2Ray server. Double check everything to avoid errors. Then, save the settings and tap Start to activate the VPN. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Open Custom VPN with V2Ray SlowDNS. Now you can browse securely and privately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.